Okay.
Today's video is going to be demonstrating the Equinox 800 and how it reacts to gold jewelry. And for today's video, I'm going to start off with the basic Part 2 program, which weighs the high frequency or pays more attention to in the programming for high frequency, and that's really great for gold. So the first target is a 10K gold wedding band. 15. Next target is a 10K ladies engagement ring without the diamond. 10. Next target is another 10K men's ring. 8. Now I'd like to take just a moment and to discuss something else here in relation to this nickel. Jefferson nickel. 12. Generally the ID for Park 1 is 13, but for some reason, which is fine with me, the Part 2 generally gives a nickel as 12. That brings me to a point of why I want to do this video today, and it's concerned with gold jewelry hunting. As you notice, the rings that I showed a demonstration on, one read high and the other two read low, lower than a nickel. So let's go here to infamous pull tab. 17. Here's another 10K gold ring man. 15. Regular pop pull tab. 15. Next is a 14K gold wedding band. 17. Now, if you keep in mind, these are bulkier rings. They're men's, and they're coming in just above where a nickel will come in. The next is a 10K girl's ring, gold, has a horse on it. 10, below a nickel. Next ring is a 10K, got a little green stone in it. A 6. That's well below a nickel. Now here's something pretty interesting, a 1901 $5 gold piece. 18. Next is a 10K Class ring. But I want you to look at this number, 13. I'm going to show you the nickel again. It shows a 13. 12 or 13. Next is a 18 and 58 $1 gold piece. 11. Next is a 10K gold necklace. And what I'm going to do here, to start with, I'm going to just ball it up a little bit to get an ID, and then I'm going to show you a different way. 1. A 1. Now I'm going to take it and stretch it out and go in front of the coil. Still a 1. That's a very low number. If you was hunting for gold jewelry, everyone says, well, it always has to be a pull tab region. Since the bulk of the gold jewelry in the world is women's, most of every example that I can find always falls well below a nickel. Here's a small 10K gold charm. 8. Another small Catholic charm is found at a park. 10. Next is a 14K men's pin. 10. This ring here is a super small 10K gold ring, has a little stone in it. A 3. Now everyone will know what this is. That's a tab off of a beer pull. Or some call it a beaver tail. 11. Now I want to show this particular ring here. This is the first ring I found with Equinox. It is a small sterling silver ring. 20. Here's another very small silver ring, got a little stone in it. As you can see, the silver is a high conductor, and it is going to register higher numbers. Now here is an antique class ring. I'm not sure what it's made out of, pewter or some sort of metal. This was actually found while water hunting, but I want you to see the number on it. 17. Next I've got 3 gold pickers embedded in a wooden ruler, and over the years I have recorded where these pickers register on different machines and about approximate air distance that I get from the coil. This first one here is a 10 grain. Number 6. Next is a 4.1 grain gold picker. If you can see that embedded in that ruler. 1 and 2. And the last but not least is a 4.8 grain. And what I try to do on this ruler, I have different marking indications of the different machines I've had over the years, and the distance each could be heard from the end of the coil. So this is 4.8 grain. 9. The main reason that I wanted to do this video today was to show that on the Equinox, if you're looking for gold jewelry, most of the gold jewelry that's going to be found is women's. And most of it is thinner. Some of it can be higher grade gold than others. But the majority of every single women's ring that I've found over the years, and those that I've confiscated from my wife to test, have all have fell below a nickel. But I hope you enjoyed, and get out and use this Equinox.